Greetings, this is Michael W. Ford. Today's video is a demonstration of utilizing a chant, a mantra, an invocation in a vibrational way that creates a type of focus and opens the imagination towards the unity of will, desire, belief in your invocations. Much like the symbol of the dragon and the black flame, you have the ancient, the primordial, coming forth to unify and inspire. And that's what magic is, a type of inspiration compelled to the physical. The following invocation is simply the calling of the decadarchs, specifically the names of the fallen angels from Enoch 1. Center of Luciferian witchcraft and magic. These decadarchs, or fallen angels, are led by a Shemyaza, who is another name variant for Azazel. Often considered separate, their names are actually traced back to being one. Different mask representing different energy. You have the other fallen angels, Ramquil, Gadriel, Seriel, Samizaz, so many others. But the focus of the mantra is to inspire the energy within the circle of invocation, within the mind, the imagination, the seed of Iblis. So enjoy the video, and I look forward to having more soon. Banama Araman. Shanhaza Atrikif Ramtil Kokolbil Uriel Ramir Daniel Zikil Barquil Asel Harmony Material Anel Silprel Sincel, Sachriel, Tamriel, Turiel, Yamilel, Zerotel, Azazel, Shemyaza, Atrikif, Ramtil, Hokabil, Uriel, Ramiel, Daniel, Zikriel, Barak, Azel, Harmony, Material, Anael, Sithwael, Simsiel, Sachriel, Tamil, Turliel, Yamiel, Zilhorel, Azazel.